Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to remove background in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's go to any browser and search for Canva. Now click on create a design over here for the new design, and you can choose any of this over here. If you want it for Instagram Reel or Instagram post or any of this over here. So let's go for Instagram post for now. Now we need to add the photo. You can simply click on this uploads over here. To upload new files, you need to click on upload files over here, or you can simply add the photos you have already uploaded before. And here's the picture. You can adjust your size. Now when you click on this picture, we can see this edit photo option over here. We need to simply tap on this. On clicking, we see this BG remover, that is background remover option over here. We need to simply tap on this. This is not available right now because it is premium. You should make sure that you have premium already in Canva. And after clicking this, we can simply create an outline over here, after which the overall background will be removed. So this is all. This is how you can remove background in Canva. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.